Hey, what's up? This is Khalid Siddiqui and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a cinematic title with Element 3D, and so let's start. First, create a new composition and write here 3D title. And so before enter, press Ctrl plus K to set 0.8 second video. Select the title, enter, and write what? JAE, just After Effects, space 24. Close. Select the title, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Home screen. For what? For move the anchor point to center of the object. It means title. Go to character by going to window and go to character. Scale up the size of the title. Set center of the screen. Create a new solid and write Element 3D. Enter and go to effects and go to Video Copilot. Select the Element 3D plugin. So go back to Effects Control and expand the custom layers, expand the 3D text and mask. Select JAE24. JAE main just After Effects. And go to Scene Setup. In one click you can extrude your title. That is extrude button. So I need to create my own favorite bevel style. But how to do this? Zoom in and go to extrude model. So select the extrude model, go to bevel copies, bevel 2. So if you need to create a multi-bevel, select the extrusion model and go to extrusion model edit. Bevel copies, select 3. Select the first one and make extrude, and then make little bit expand and control the Z offset like this, and make little bit expand 0.33 and move attach to the second bevel and select the second bevel, make more extrude and select the third one. Let's see, sit there, make more expand and attach to second bevel like this. Okay guys, there we have the 3 bevel model. Select the first one, turn off. The first one belongs to behind of the 3D models. Go to go to materials. Select the physical, apply the golden material. And select the first one, apply the golden material on this. And go to environment. Click here, select the basic 2K. Change the lighting to 360 degrees and click OK. And now time to create the base pattern texture for the middle of this 3D text. Click OK and press Ctrl plus N to create new composition. And right there, pattern. Change the size to 500. Click OK. Press Ctrl plus Y to create a new solid. And right here, pattern. Enter and go to Effects and Presets. Go to Workspace, select the Effects Workspace, and click Effects and Presets. Fractal Noise. Double click. You go to basic fractal type, change to, first go to noise type, select the blocks. Let's select the linear, let's select spline, but the blocks is better. Let's change this one to dynamic or basic. Let's see the max one is better. And now go to where evolution. I wanna animate this pattern. Stopwatch, go to 8 seconds, make 1 to make animate. Select again the solid and apply HUE saturation. Double click for colorize on. Colorize on, make colorize saturation to 100 and make golden. So go back to 3D title composition and drop the pattern to your final comp. Turn off, select the Element 3D plugin and go to Effects Control, close, and Custom Texture Maps, select the layer 1 to pattern. And go back to Scene Setup, then apply the pattern material to your Extrusion 3D title. Select the bevel and go to select this red material, apply there. So if you need to apply your own favorite pattern, select the image, go to diffuse and expand, select from list. So then click OK, change the red to white. Click again and make more tiles. Make more tiles like this. Click OK. Make more brightness. So if you need to apply this diffuse on the glossiness, right click, take a copy and paste here. And let's paste there. One copy more, paste illusion. Let's go to setting of your material. Go to setting, select add. Take a look, it looks like a glass. Okay, and now I want to add reflector wall. Reflector wall, click on create, select the plan and then make huge size and rotate to the wall. Right there to rotation, click here 270 and move it behind of the title right there. Make more huge size. Let's apply material for the wall and right click, turn on the reflect to mirror surface, zoom in, take a look. The result of the mirror surface and click OK, turn off the 2D JAE, right click, create a new camera, 24mm, click OK. And now you can control, you can make animate for your camera. Select the Element 3D and then go to render setting, go to lighting, make 360. Play now. Let's so click on scene setup, expand, select the back outline and go to materials, change the blue illumination color to golden like this. Make more darker, click OK and OK. Go to group 1, particle loads, make more huge size. And now time to animate your camera. Zoom in and zoom out. Select your camera, expand, transform, stopwatch all of them and go to second 2, move your camera up. Let's play now. This is your first camera. And now go back to project, select the 3D title, press Ctrl+D, duplicate, double click here, and select the camera 1, turn off. And now rotate a little bit to front of the A and set the camera down there and make zoom, moves here. Let's animate stopwatch and go to second 2. We'll move the camera like this. Let's play. Not bad. Okay, select again, press Ctrl+D, duplicate, double click here, stopwatch all of them, and set the camera target point to center of the A. Zoom in there and zoom in. A stopwatch, go to second 3 and zoom out, and set center of the screen, zoom out. I think enough. Let's play. Not bad. Select element 3D solid and go to effects and go to motion blur. Turn on the motion blur, make more shutter angle, and create your final comp by pressing Ctrl+N. Set to 10 seconds and go to project, the first camera and the second camera. Move it here. Press T for opacity, stopwatch, go to second 2. Play now. Drop third camera and go to second 5. Select, press T opacity, stopwatch, go to second 5. Sorry, change to 0 and go to second 5. Good. Let's play the result. Fit your comp, enter. Okay guys, this is a little bit problem. Change this composition size, press Ctrl+K and select 30 frames per second for the HD size. Click OK. Play again. Okay guys, let's expand the composition up to 3 or 6 seconds and play the final result. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe the channel for more videos.